Hey everyone, my name is Sam and I'm the designer of Made to Surprise, available from CraftStash. And this year I'm very excited to be releasing my very first Advent calendar. So inside this lovely box are 12 other boxes for the 12 days of Advent, and there are some wonderful products. This is available for pre-order over on the CraftStash website, and the value for money is fantastic. I cannot wait to show you what's inside. So if you like a surprise, then just head over there and pre-order and don't watch the rest of this video. But if you would like to see inside each of the boxes, then keep watching. So have a good rummage in the beautiful pink tissue paper there and you will find your first day. Nice big box, and this has the first stamp set from the Advent. This is a Christmas themed one, so you have some time to use it this year, or you can make a start on next year's cards. Then on to day 2, so another nice size box here, and inside you have the main mechanism in the Advent. This is something that will work with anything in your stash, but there's also some dies in there that will work with other stamps in the Advent. Then on to day 3, and it's a new wax seal. This one says hello, and it's in that beautiful light pink colour. Day 4, and you've got a very cute little trinket tray, so you can use this on your desk to help keep you a bit organised, but it's going to work very well with day number 5. Lovely box here. And this is one of my favourites again, and it's full of sprinkles. You have loads in here. It's going to last you a long time. Great for birthday cards. Then on to day 6, and you've got some snips. These are very sharp, they are heavy, and they're going to really help you with your fussy cutting. I've been using these a lot already, so I'm glad that I can now share it with you all. Day 7, so another nice size box here, and this is your 5x7 embossing folder. So it's an all occasion, nice fun background, so I'm hoping you'll get lots of use out of this one. Then on to day number 8, and inside here you have a limited edition pin badge. Paper crafting is my superpower in the Made to Surprise colours. On to day 9, and in here you have a very handy glue pin with those lovely colourful beads and the little silver hearts there. So this will stop your glue from clogging up. Then on to day 10, and this is the second stamp set in the Advent, and this is a all occasion. You can use this all through the year, and you've got your very cute little fruits and fun puns. Then on to day number 11, and this is a very handy, very sharp piercing tool, and it's a polymer clay one with the Made to Surprise branding on. And then lastly, you've got day number 12, and inside this one is a wonderful full 24 sheets 5x7 paper pack in lots of wonderful designs. So I can just about get everything in shot here, but just to show you again all of that wonderful product, it's such good value for money. I cannot wait to show you the ideas and the samples that I have done using this product, and there's going to be some fun ideas on how to reuse your box along with all of the other boxes that come inside as well. So I hope you like all of this wonderful new product in the very first Made to Surprise Advent. It's available for pre-order over on the CraftStash website, so go grab yours now.